Hi, and welcome to the video course, HTML5 Essentials. My name is Patrick Lohner, and I'll be your instructor for this course. I've been in the IT industry for about 15 years, doing just about everything, working on servers and email systems, building networks, building web pages, styling those web pages with CSS and HTML. As I said, sort of a jack of all trades. I've done some consultant work as well as being really a full-time instructor for almost all of those 15 years in the IT industry. So it's my privilege to be your instructor on this course. We're going to start with just the outline. What you're going to learn in this course is all of the fundamentals of HTML5, the latest specification of the hypertext markup language, which is the foundation of the World Wide Web. HTML is the way that we mark up content on our web pages to give it meaning. It provides the structure and the content, and as we'll see, CSS provides the presentation. JavaScript allows you to interact with the content on the website. So the three technologies are very much related to one another. It's going to be impossible for us to talk about HTML without talking about CSS. But at the same time, HTML is the most important of the three, because without HTML, you have nothing. Without CSS, you just have an unstyled page, but without HTML, you have no structure, you have no content. So we're just going to start out with some of the basics, the structure and syntax, an introduction to HTML, some differences between HTML5 and the previous versions. And we'll walk through the structure of documents. You know, what does an HTML document look like? What are the different elements that are required? Which ones are optional? We'll talk about doing things like adding links to web pages, adding images to web pages, using all your standard tags like H1s for headings, paragraphs, navigation sections, more elements than we can actually talk about in an introduction, okay? So, but really from start to finish here, trying to get you very familiar with all of the information that you'll need to use HTML to build very dynamic and visually appealing web pages. So once again, my name is Patrick Lohner. I'm happy to be your instructor on this course. Let's get started.